This is the world's first high-rise window cleaning robot. Skyline Robotics is disrupting the $40 billion window cleaning industry with Osmo. The smart robot combines artificial intelligence, machine learning and computer vision with advanced robotics and sensors. It offers a smarter, faster, safer and more economical alternative to human window washers. Rather than replace human window washers, Skyline aims to create a working partnership between humans and robots, as humans control Osmo from a safe distance out of harm's way. Would you prefer a human window washer or the Osmo robot?